Hello and welcome back to our next lecture from this course on how to use cryptocurrency to earn passive income. The last method that we are going to talk about is basically copy trading, which means to copy what other professional traders do, or not necessarily professional, but other traders who maybe do this better than you. Or if you are not into trading, basically you can copy what other people who are trading do. Okay, and we have two platforms where you can do that. One of them is Economy and one of them is BitMax. BitMax you have seen before. They have a very good diversified stacking type of service offering, and Economy is a platform where actually this is what you are doing. It's focused on copying traders or copy trading. Okay, now copying traders, it's not like our financial advice. We do not give financial advice whatsoever. It's up to you however you want to invest your money, obviously, or if you want to copy other traders or trade yourself or anything like that. We are just going to show you how you can do that and what we are looking for. Okay, but it's up to you. It's your decision how you want to do it. So on economy.com, if you go in the left side menu, you have the Discover section, and in the Discover section you can see crypto strategies. What are these crypto strategies? Basically, these are people who have a portfolio that they trade on. Okay, and the strategy is basically how they trade, all the moves that they do. So what does Economy do? Automatically it copies every move that these people or traders do. Okay, with the funds that you deposit. You can deposit USD dollars, euro, pounds, and so on, and the platform will convert it automatically, and basically your portfolio will copy whatever these traders are doing. Okay, these are some copy strategies that they are recommending at the moment. As you can see, some of them have spectacular results in our opinion. 40% return in the last 7 days, it is something extraordinary. 49% again, something extraordinary, and so on. Okay, so if you are going to look, it's pretty interesting what they are showing here. Now another thing that they are showing is the number of copiers. Okay, you have the number of copiers of each strategy. Now if you want to see all of the strategies, you just scroll down. You see that there are around 180 strategies. We can just check all of them. Okay, and we can see all of the strategies here. It shows the return on the last 24 hours and so on. Now what we are looking is the market cap. Okay, if the market cap is high, okay, you have big chances for the strategy to in our opinion, we say that we have a big chance that our strategy is better for the long term. Okay, so again, another thing that we are looking for, it's the small check mark to see if it's verified. Okay, if it's verified. And what another thing that we are looking at, again, it will be your decision, whoever you want to copy, or if you want to copy anyone at all, is, for example, you click on a strategy and we are looking for the all-time performance, and we are looking for strategies which are old, like over 2 years old. Okay, so for example, this strategy's overall performance is at 150%, and if you are looking here, okay, they had some downtime when they were basically on the loss, but in the last 2 years obviously grew a lot, and this is something which happened for a lot of strategies. And it has 198 copiers, a total of asset copying strategy 1.45 million, which is not bad. Okay, not bad at all. So the return in the past year was 1000%. Again, not bad at all. Okay, so this is how this works. This is one of the platforms. You just click on copy, you add your funds. As you can see in this example, we are copying this strategy, and that's about it. Now, another platform where you can copy traders, it's BitMax. Okay, you see the option here, copy trading, and if we are going to scroll down, you can see, okay, exactly the traders that you can copy at the moment. These are the traders that you can copy. As you can see, it's not as spectacular as Economy, but still it's an interesting platform. Okay, again, it's up to you what you want to do with copy trading. Trading is high risk in general, especially in crypto, which is a more volatile market. These are some options that you have with crypto copy trading because it's passive. Okay, but from all the free methods that we have recommended, we would go personally, but again, it's up to you, with the staking. Now, thank you very much for your attention, and we are looking forward to see you in the next. Hello and welcome back to our next lecture from this course on how to create passive income from cryptocurrency. Right now we are on coinmarketcap.com. This is a platform that basically shows you different stats regarding the cryptocurrency industry, like the market cap for different tokens, for different coins and so on. And basically this is like a bonus lecture for you if you want to get into, let's say, more advanced things related to cryptocurrency that can generate income for you. There are a lot of ways in which you can do that, and one of them is basically investing in ICOs, exactly like IPOs for companies, which are initial price offerings. We have initial coin offerings, so there are different projects into the market based on the blockchain technology, projects which create these tokens, and these tokens basically, it's like, if you want a similarity, like taking shares or buying shares for a company, for a specific project, right? And on coinmarketcap.com you have here ICO calendar in the menu. If you are going to click on the ICO calendar, you can see which are the ongoing projects. Okay, so for the companies that you want to maybe invest, it shows you the projects in which you can invest. And then you have upcoming projects, and here you can check the upcoming projects, and you can see here the stage of the project. So what it is more exactly, is it like okay, initial coin offering, or dividend offering, or anything like that, okay? Or there are different types of let's say ways to raise money for these projects, and what these people are basically doing is they are raising money by selling tokens to invest in their project and to expand it, right? And if you do your analysis correctly, you can get a very good return on investment. Not to mention that some of them have an initial coin offering which lasts for about a week, 2 weeks, maybe somewhere around that time, and after that they have a token sale. They are listed on a public exchange. Okay, so the token sales, basically you take your share of the tokens, and then it's publicly traded, and you get a very good return on investment, sometimes 3, 4, maybe even 5 times. There were moments in the past when it was even higher. Okay, and for example, right now you can see the upcoming projects, and there are plenty of them here. Okay, and what you have to do, for example, is click on one of the projects. This one starts very soon, and you can see data about the ICO, the ICO price, the cap. So basically this is the soft cap, it's like a minimum amount that they want to get raised. Fundraising goal, they want to raise $150,000, personal cap, and so on. Okay, and that's the information about like the statistics. And then you have news, social, ratings, analysis. Okay, you also have an analysis here. We don't have this data yet for this ICO. And another thing that you can do is go ahead and check their website. Okay, you can see that they have a website here. odds.fi for this one. You click on the website, you'll be redirected. Multi-chain options trading. Okay, simple, secure, and decentralized. So this is basically a multi-chain options trading, and basically that's what they are launching. This is the project. Okay, and here you have different information about the project. And the cool part is that you have this white paper. You can click on the link white paper and you can check more about the ICO. What we recommend is to check the white paper to see if you understand the project well, to check the team. Okay, you want to see who's the team behind the ICO or the project. It's important to have a good team which is popular, maybe not necessarily from the standpoint of expertise, because we also have a lot of experts in the world in different fields which let's say are not that popular. The ones who are popular, very popular, and also their popularity somehow relates to their expertise fields, are marketers, right? Because if a marketer is popular, then he probably knows marketing very well because he actually used it on his own branding, right? But it's important to have popular advisors from different fields of activity, especially from finance, and not just finance, but from the field of activity where the project will have its activity. Why? Because if you have popular advisors or popular people on the team, people who work for probably bigger companies or which are recognized, the project has more chances to get funds and to advance, right? So to become a big project. And that, what does that mean for you? The value of the tokens will increase. Okay. The other thing you should look for is the roadmap. You want to see what they want to do with the company in the next years. So that's the thing with the ICOs. What we recommend you is, because they are high risk, to do your analysis properly. You also have token private sales, pre-sales, and so on. You need to do your analysis very carefully, because there were cases in the past where from different reasons the projects did not work out. Okay, so the value of the coins or the tokens went down a lot, disappeared, and so on. So you need to look at everything: the project, the team, the partnerships, and so on, in order to do let's say to have or to take a decent decision regarding investing in that ICO or not. And it's still a risk. Okay, on the other hand, obviously the return on the investment can be very high in a relatively short period of time. So CoinMarketCap is one of the places where you can check out the list of ICOs. Another one is let's see, Chainlink. Okay, ICO drops, which is pretty let's say pretty interesting. It doesn't have as many ICOs announced as the other one. And we also have ICO Link, again another platform that you can check out. You can see ICO listing here in the menu, upcoming ICO, ongoing, pre-ICO list, and so on. So you can see what projects are upcoming here. Again, we recommend you to be very careful with this. This is not financial advice. We are telling you what is happening in the market, so it's an information. You have to do your research right. Look at the project, the team, the partnerships, strategy, and so on, okay, before taking a decision. And obviously after that it's your decision, but it's a high risk type of activity, to say so. Okay, that's everything we wanted to show you about ICOs. We hope you enjoyed the information, and we are looking forward to see you in other lectures as well.